All right, Danielle, thank you so much. News 2 is out right now, making our way to Erin, Tennessee, where reports of those rescues, Danielle just mentioned as well, because of flooding in that area. Let's go out to meteorologist Shelby Mack. She's in the News 2 storm tracker this evening. Shelby, right now, you are getting close to Clarksville. What kind of conditions are you seeing on the roads?
Mark, so far we have been seeing some rain falling right now, but we're almost in a lull. Looking out in front of me, what we're expecting is to see these roads still very slick, but more rain is on the way. Now, we have gotten reports from the Erin police chief that said 9 children and 2 workers were rescued from a daycare on Storefront Drive. So that's where we're headed right now. We also got information from Bill Hall, the EMA director, that says flooding is countywide. There's been a few houses that have flooded, numerous cars. Everywhere have been flooded, and there's been major traffic issues and backups countywide. He lost count of how many water rescues they've had. The good news is there are no known injuries so far, but again, more rain is on the way. We're going to continue to watch this rain piling in because we had that first line and it was a soaker, and that's why we had this flash flooding. But now we have a second line back behind it that's going to be bringing in even more strong storms. But again, north of I-40, it's likely to be more of a rain event, but we're going to continue to track it as we are headed towards Erin right now. And the storm tracker, I'm News 2 meteorologist Shelby Mack. Back to you.